What happens when rich dark chocolate, bold coffee, and velvety cream come together? You get the most indulgent coffee ice cream you have ever tasted. And yes, it's homemade. There is something about the aroma of freshly ground coffee, rich, warm, and full of promise. Today, we are taking your love for coffee to a whole new level with a homemade ice cream that's bold, indulgent, and dangerously easy to make. Start by pouring 100 ml of milk into a bowl. This is where the magic begins. Stir in 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, the kind that hits your senses instantly. Now add 100 grams of icing sugar for that smooth sweetness. Bring this to a gentle boil. Let the aroma take over your kitchen as the coffee infuses the milk. Once it's warm and silky, set it aside to cool in the refrigerator. Grate in 100 grams of dark chocolate, deep, decadent, and irresistible. Now take 400 ml of cold whipping cream and whip it until it's light, fluffy, and forms soft peaks. This is what gives our ice cream its luscious texture. Now pour in the cooled coffee milk. Watch as it swirls into the cream like velvet. Fold it all together gently. Don't rush. This is pure indulgence in the making. Now add the grated dark chocolate. Fold it gently into the whipped cream. Transfer it into a container. Smooth the top and freeze it for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight if you can resist. And there it is, homemade coffee ice cream that's bold, creamy, and deeply satisfying. One spoon and you're in heaven. Every bite is a perfect balance of bittersweet, creamy, and cool. The richness of chocolate, the boldness of coffee, and the softness of whipped cream, all frozen into pure bliss. This isn't just a dessert, it's your reward, your moment, your indulgence. So go ahead, make it, taste it, and fall in love with coffee all over again. Why buy it when you can create it? Make it once and it'll become your favorite obsession. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more irresistible recipes. Bye bye.